Hi, it's Scott with BRIX Real Estate. Thanks for watching my video today. Much appreciated. So, you're getting overwhelmed in your current home. You're having a tough time with the housekeeping, you're having a tough time with the maintenance, the upkeep, and you're thinking, you know what? Maybe I should downsize. Well, the one biggest factor that's going to set you up for success is time. Having time on your side is going to be huge. So you can, with time on your side, you can, do things as slow as you want. There's not a rush. For example, if you were to have a health emergency or a financial burden, those things, tend to speed this up and make it not as nice an experience. And we want to make it as pleasant as possible. So, for example, like you could even start drawer by drawer. You don't have to take on a huge, the whole room or I'm sorry, the whole house, in one weekend. So you can take your time with it. Now, I would suggest, starting, in like either a laundry room or a closet, because those are very manageable. I wouldn't suggest starting in, like a basement or a garage. I found that a lot of people put their stuff that they're not using anymore in those areas, and it'd be really easy for you to get overwhelmed and frustrated and just be like, okay, I'm done with this. I'm not gonna do this anymore. And so you don't want to start in those areas. You want to start small and just take it, day by day. Now, the other thing is you want to be thinking about your next space. Is it a 1 bedroom, 1 bath? Is it a 2 bedroom, 1 bath? What is it that you're going to need for this new space? So you can start to decide, it'll help you so you'll know, okay, do I really want to bring this item, or can I donate it, throw it away, or give it to a family member? Along with that, I would suggest, just doing 2 piles, a pile that you're going to take with you, and then a pile that you're going to, donate or throw away or give to a family member. I've seen more people have a third pile, which is a maybe pile. And what happens is the maybe pile grows and it becomes the biggest pile. Well, that's not really helping you to get into, the best situation. That's just putting things off. So I would really try to stick with the 2 piles. Another thing that I see a lot of is a lot of duplicate items. So, for example, I've seen people have like 6, 7 spatulas. Do you really need that many for your new place? What about, bed sets? Do you really need all of that stuff? So you want to kind of be thinking about that. Along with that, heirlooms. So if you had, a friend, relative, somebody that you were going to be giving, some special furniture to, some special china set, whatever it may be. Well, maybe you should consider giving that to them now. So when you go over and visit them, you actually could see them enjoying that stuff. So then you would get enjoyment out of it. So some things to think about. Now, the biggest and most important thing is you don't have to do this all by yourself. You have help. There's family, there's friends, there's professional companies you can hire, there's community organizations that help, there's churches. I can give you resources. There's a lot of help out there. So we want to make you successful, and we want to make this a pleasant experience. We know that it's an emotional time, And that's why we're here to help and to take things as slow as you want. If you have any other questions or if I may be of service, please feel free to reach out. It's Scott Carlson with BRIX Real Estate. Thank you so much.